Oh man, Bitcoin hit an all-time high, huh? Hold on to your fucking seatbelts. That's ironic. I was taking mine off. But that's not why I said that's not why I did that. I don't even know exactly why I'm making this video yet. I Let's see. The reason I feel as though I am making this video right now about Bitcoin um, is because, you know, that's exciting, right? Bitcoin hit an all-time high. And now what happens again? What happens again? The old cycle kicks in. People worry. People start to buy up a lot. The price goes up. And then what happens? People will sell it off again, right? Isn't that what's going to happen? Isn't that what's going to happen? And then that same cycle and cycle continues and continues. You know, it's going to do that. It's going to do that for a little bit. It's going to do that for a while, right? And that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is why just relax, relax your nervous system, continue to deeper your understanding about what Bitcoin is, learn about it, understand it, and that's the cool thing about Bitcoin is just like always more to learn and understand, and there's like new dimensions of what Bitcoin offers that opens up. But you really also just always have to bring it back to first principles. And this is why when you really understand the first principles of Bitcoin and of money and of all of this, then you can rest into that and understand and just understand. And that is such a relaxing feeling. And this is where you can derive everything from, right? And so just bring it back. Just bring it back always. Doesn't matter where the price is, just bring it back.